yes, look at that. That is my yummy banana pancake sausage roll. I know, right? It's my brother's favorite, and since I miss him, I decided to share this with you right here on Abena Cooks. I know you want to try it. Let's go. Oh yes. Welcome back to my channel. This is Nana Abena, and I know you love my intro. Just give me a thumbs up if you do, and let's get straight to today's video. Today I am switching up. I'm moving from local to a bit continental. Yes, so we are making banana pancakes today. Have my milk, my badia nutmeg. Yes, I love badia, and you people know some salt, some sugar, some pastry flour or all-purpose flour, margarine or butter. Sorry. And in addition is my banana. So let's start. I'm going to peel my banana. I'm peeling my banana. Please, you can decide to blend everything all together, but hey, what if I'm not lucky to have a blender? Yes, so let's go the natural way of doing things. It takes a lot of time, actually it's worth it, So I'm going to mash my banana very well. Then I'll add some water. I want to see the banana in there, like I want to feel it. It's not all about the blending, sometimes use your energy small. You develop. So here I'm whisking my egg. Please, you need to whisk it. You need the air spaces to be filled up for everything to go perfectly as planned. So I melted my butter. Sorry, margarine. People should chew me out there. And then I'll whisk it together with my egg for it to be properly incorporated. Now I'll add my banana mix. Let me just see my banana. And I'm going to whisk it together as well. Also, the margarine, we won't waste anything, so I add the milk in there. I do milk is very thick. You can use pure milk, but I prefer I do milk, and I dilute it, and I'm going to add it to my mixture. Pardon me. And I'll whisk that together. My badia nutmeg. You people, please stop calling me badia ambassador. Anyway, I love badia, so that's how we do it. A pinch of salt and 4 tablespoonfuls of sugar. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. I know you love my intro video. Let me continue. So I'm going to whisk everything together. The mixing is very, very important because how your pancake turns out depends on how you mix it. I'm going to add my pastry flour gently, and after I've added a bit of it in the beginning, I'm going to make sure it's properly mixed before I add another set, else it's going to be lumpy, and we don't want our pancakes to be lumpy. Abe, you don't want that. It's not even nice. Reminds me of a friend who made pancakes and couldn't eat it. Well, you know yourself. I'm not going to talk about it again, but all the same, this is how I make my pancakes. So I make sure I thicken it up so it's properly mixed. There's no lumps. Then I can dilute it and make it a little light to suit the kind of mixture I want. Yes, so I am still stirring. You want to take your time before the water splashes into your face or all over the things that you're doing. And yes, you can see that this is just how I like it to be. It's not so thick, it's not so thin. It is just right. Add my oil, and then we start work with our pancakes. Look at that. There's beauty in cooking, and I'm a butter. Nah, actually, people for bag. Yes, flip it like that. And from that, I had about 20 pancake pieces. You feel me? I used 5 disposable cups of the flour. Now I'm going to fry my sausages, please. My Okuma would tell me it's hot dogs. So, sorry, hot dogs. Hey, Abuchi. Well, that is done and ready, and that is how I'm going to make my rolls. I'm going to put my sausage in my pancake, and I'm going to roll it just like that. Just like that. And look, it's nice. It's beautiful. But wait till you have a taste of it. It is so yummy. It is so tasty. Oh, I wish I could make this for everybody. Anyway, don't forget to invite me to come and taste it when you make yours. Or better still, you can invite me. I can come and make some for you. You pay small, but thank you so much for watching. Yes, I'm going to take my breakfast with that. You can add syrup if you want, or some chocolate spread. Nutella is fine. Thank you so much. See you same time next week. I love you all. Bye.